Coal tar mix is the better choice for most small-scale home pothole repairs because it is safer, easier to handle, and requires no heating equipment. Cold tar sets by solvent evaporation rather than by cooling molten binder, so you can place it directly from the bag without kettles or torches. Start by cleaning the hole thoroughly of loose debris and standing water using a stiff broom and a hand tamper or the head of a heavy tool to remove dust and small stones. For best compaction, fill the hole in thin lifts, roughly 1 inch at a time, tamping each lift firmly with a hand tamper or the back of a shovel until the material is immobile under pressure. Feather the edges by raking and pressing the cold mix into the pavement around the repair to bond the patch to the existing surface and to prevent edge raveling. Do not overfill the hole. Leave a slight crown that will compress under traffic so the repair does not become a dip that will trap water. Protect fresh patches from heavy rain for at least 24 hours when possible because moisture can interfere with solvent evaporation. Common mistakes include placing cold mix into a wet or dirty hole, which prevents adhesion, so always dry and clean the area until it is free of loose particles. Another frequent problem is inadequate compaction, which leads to early failure, so use repeated firm tamping and traffic compaction right after placement if safe to do so. A third issue is using cold mix on very high traffic or heavily loaded sections where it will deform. For those areas, consider planning for a permanent repair with hot mix or professional resurfacing. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and resources that match the scale of the job. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, experiences, and realistic cost expectations.